I'm Audrey Wardwell, broker owner of 36 North Properties, a property management company servicing the Monterey Peninsula and the Salinas Valley. Today we're going to talk about maintenance requests, particularly non-emergency maintenance requests. I think the first thing I would recommend that any company or individual do is set up a policy and procedure. Let your tenants know how they can submit maintenance requests to you. Can it be done via text, a phone call, or online? For example, our company has a property management software system that allows tenants to log into their tenant portal and submit maintenance requests that way. They can also attach photos and video to their maintenance request. This system really allows us to look at the particular issue and request that they're submitting to us and send the appropriate vendor. It also gives us documentation of when it was submitted and how quickly we sent it to our vendors and when the problem was resolved. So it streamlines the process for us. Then you want to put your procedures together as far as your vendors. How can your vendors enter the property? Can they go there alone? Our company requires that a vendor would go to a property, they must be accompanied with another individual 18 or older. That way you have two people in the property that are adults who can document what the property looked like when they came in, what was repaired, and any issues that may or may not have happened while they were there. The next thing that you want to do with your vendors is make sure that they're all licensed, insured, and bonded, as well as they have workers' compensation for their employees. This way you can protect the property as a whole, ensure that you're getting quality work, and that if anything were to happen, the appropriate insurance is in place to protect you and the owner. The last thing that you want to do is take care of the maintenance requests quickly. The speed in which you get back to your tenant sets the tone for the relationship that you have. How much they feel that the information they're providing to you is valued. And by doing that, that lets the tenants know that you value the relationship that you have with them and that you're on top of taking care of issues promptly and efficiently. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much.